Okay. Today I'll be unboxing the G Pro Wireless, as you could see. Here's the paper. Cut. As you could see, the G Pro Wireless, it's kinda good in shape. Let's do a quick sound test. As you could see, the two side buttons are pretty good at sound. Yeah, they're pretty good, aren't they? Thank you for watching. The quick review is, this thing sucks. Just kidding, it's the best.